Good morning and welcome to Melco. Mike Doe, part of the applications team, joined today by the great Lou Iatorno, is that right? Iatorno. Lou Iatorno. So Lou, bend your head in a little bit so everybody can see you. There's Lou.
Hello.
Lou has ears? No. So today we will be talking about a new partnership that Melco wants to introduce to you, our Melco customers, and that is the link and partnership with InkSoft. So do me a favor, give me some comments out there on who knows of InkSoft, who's using InkSoft. I know we got a buddy just north of here, MI Sports, Jordan. Shout out to you, buddy, if you're out there. Jordan and MI Sports uses InkSoft. From what I heard, I absolutely love it. You may be asking yourself, what is InkSoft? What is Mike smoking? I'm not smoking anything. I'm clear-headed today. It's a wonderful day outside here in Colorado. Beautiful spring day. So once again, Mike Doe at Melco. Lou, does it look like we're live right now? Can you see anything on your screen, Facebook?
Yes, we're live.
We're live. Good. Just making sure. Whew. And give me a shout out too. Let me know that the voice is working good. We have a whole bunch of new electronics to play with, and Nate has got everything set up. But I'm giving him the day off. I'm giving Scott the day off to work on some other projects. Really cool stuff that we'll be doing on at trade shows. So shout out to Josh Welch, Scott Stingle, and Nate Moore for doing some really cool new unis for the trade show staff at the Melco booth. So I won't give any more away yet, but come check us out at some of the booths. I know next week we will be at Irving, MBM Irving. The week after that is the infamous Impressions Atlantic City show, so come check us out. And a little bit further on in the month of March, we'll be at Orlando. So some really good shows coming up. Once again, we're here to talk about the partnership with Melco and InkSoft. And so what this means to you guys as Melco customers is Melco's looking to partner with companies that give benefits to you as Melco customers on some really good products that will help your business grow and be more profitable, because that's why Melco is in business, is we want to take care of our customers then will take care of us. So a little bit about InkSoft. Do we have any comments yet, Lou? No comments on there yet?
A couple shout outs to you.
Oh, cool. A couple shout outs. Thank you. Jan says, good morning. Morning, Jan. Couple things. InkSoft. InkSoft is a company that has a long time ago, and I don't have all the dates in mind and everything, so forgive me, it'll be in the video that we're going to play in a minute, but InkSoft is a company that saw a need where a company like yourself, maybe small, maybe medium size, maybe large, but you're trying to figure out how can I utilize technology to help my company have a presence online, have some kind of tool to manage my inventory, manage when my jobs are due, and how much workload I can take on and when I can get that done. So there's a lot of cool tools in InkSoft. So now that we've kind of got a start, we've got a couple people on. Once again, good morning, Mike Doe at Melco, part of the applications team, here with my buddy Lou. Another shout out to Dana, just really cool. Just word real quick before we do the video. I was at a really cool barbecue joint right down the street from here from Melco at a place called Sugar Fire. I think it's a chain from maybe Kansas City or Nashville, one of those great barbecue places. Colorado is not a great barbecue place. Let me tell you, because I know good barbecue. Colorado, you don't have it. It's imported for the most part. So, anyways, shout out to Dana at Sugar Fire. She came over, said hi to me, said she's loving the Facebook Live stuff. So without further ado, I just keep delaying it. Without further ado, let's go over some of these things. And wow, a whole bunch of tabs just opened up on my site here. And so let me get back to this real quick. All right, so we are going to go to a video now. Keep posting your comments and we'll answer those. And so here we go.
Hey everybody, my name is
Enjoy the
JP
video.
Hunt and I'm a co-founder here at InkSoft. And in this video, we're going to showcase the InkSoft platform. Now, InkSoft is proud to partner with Melco to deliver a sales platform that's been made specifically for the decorated apparel industry. So InkSoft users tend to be print shops, apparel decorators, really any business that's selling a finished printed good. So InkSoft has been in business for 10 years now, and as a software company, we've been developing technology that helps our clients sell more effectively. So as a sales platform, there's really three main sales tools that InkSoft offers, which allow you to sell a printed product really in any circumstance, in any scenario. So let's talk about those three solutions. The first is an online store solution. So online stores are perfect for group selling opportunities. So if you're dealing with a school or a team or a club, any sales opportunity where you have multiple persons that need to purchase on behalf of themselves, an online store is the perfect solution. And really, a store is a replacement to the paper-based order form. The value of a store is your clients get a special custom-built online store to purchase products. You get paid up front and all of the data is made electronic. Next, InkSoft offers a solution called Proposals. Now, Proposals is a way for you to proactively go out into your market and present new decorated product options and ideas to your customers. It also helps to generate an invoice, and it also acts as an order entry solution. And we'll get into each of these solutions in a moment's time, just trying to set the high-level understanding of the InkSoft platform. Now last, we have the InkSoft Online Designer. This is a perfect solution for those times where your customers don't really know exactly what they want or they don't have a finished graphic. They really need you to help solve the creative, artwork bottleneck and come up with creative solutions. So the Online Designer is a great way to let clients ideate, get concepts generated self-service, and they can even get a quote from your website or even purchase custom graphics and products online right from your site. Now, I really want to point out, the InkSoft platform at large is much more than just the three sales tools. Those three sales tools aggregate all of the orders inside of a centralized order manager where you can manage orders. So cancellation and refund and notes, changing an order. Let's say your client calls and they want to change the size of the garment, or maybe they want to order an additional hooded sweatshirt. So all of the change management and management that's involved in an order, InkSoft will allow you to centralize all of those moving parts. Next, we have a jobs solution, which allows you to manage production. So all of the online orders that you get, whether it be from an online store, the designer, or an invoice, or a manually created order, all of that just flows into InkSoft, and you have a centralized place to manage all of your sales activities. Really, the end state with InkSoft is getting to a state where you've finished decorating and printing, you've done all the fulfillment, and really it's a matter of getting the goods to the customer. So from the beginning of the process, which is selling and interacting with your client, making sure you get paid properly, all the way to pickup or delivery or shipment, InkSoft handles the entire life cycle of a decorated product. Now, I'm not going to go into a tremendous amount of detail here because we just want to provide a high-level understanding of InkSoft, but let me get into some of the functionality. So in terms of the online store platform, we've made a super simple online store solution. In fact, you can create an online store for any of your customers in a matter of minutes as a result of using our step-by-step store creator. Now, once you create a store, we've made it very easy to control the style, the look, and the layout because we have a rich library of different components. So these components serve very specific function and feature. So for example, a fundraising component will allow you to turn any online store into a fundraiser. So this allows you to quickly build a store, make the store look professional, and of course you can quickly get products into the store thanks to our rapid product creator. So inside of our store platform, and also when building an invoice, an order, or a proposal, we have this really unique technology called Rapid Product Creator, which allows you to upload embroidery files. It also allows you to upload print files. And what you can do is actually manage all of your clients' artwork right from their online store. You can create colorways, including embroidery colorways. But most importantly is you have the ability to build dynamic products. So in this case, you can access your entire blank product catalog. InkSoft is integrated with all the major apparel suppliers in our industry, so Alpha Broder, Sanmar, S&S Activewear, Cutter & Buck, etc. So it's really easy to add products to your InkSoft account, but what you can do is grab a product and you can quickly logoize that particular product. So I can grab the styles that I want to present to my client. Maybe I know they want a heather and a maroon, and I can get a logo onto that product very quickly. And of course, then I can create that product to get it into the online store or into an order or into an invoice. So the beauty is now you've just automated everything downstream in production. You've automated a work order. You have all the instructions, the type of artwork, the placement, the stitch count, all of the things that make impact when it comes time to actually produce. So that's in a quick understanding, that's the InkSoft online store platform. Next, let's talk about the online designer. So again, this is a tool that you can have on your website. This allows your clients to go to your website and click, to personalize or customize a product, very much like the custom ink type of experience. Here I can search for a product, or I can filter as a customer so I can quickly find the right product that matches my needs and criteria. So I can be assured that you have the right product color, you have the right sizes. When I find the right product that aligns with my needs, I can click Design Now. And at this stage, I can either upload my logo or my identity in the event that I have one, or I can create. And InkSoft provides 13,500 professional vector-based graphics in every conceivable category. All of these assets are keyword searchable and they're categorized. So really, this is the fun part of InkSoft. This allows your clients to have a fun experience in creating a theme or a concept. And this is the difference between empowering your customers to self-service and be involved in the design process, or this means you sitting behind graphic design software or paying your graphic designer to create concepts for free, hoping your customer will like these. So think of the design studio as an important way to communicate with your customers, let them be involved in the creative process, let them submit ideas to you. So some of the other functionality here, of course, I can control the colors that are in my imprint. I can take a swim and dive theme and make it a rugby theme. I can take a rugby theme and make it a softball tournament theme. So really, this is sky's the limit. This is just a creative way to personalize a concept that meets my expectations. Transactionally, I can do a number of things here. I have the ability now, once I've created something, I can save and share this with maybe my team or my family, because this is going to be our family reunion t-shirt concept. I can also save, so I can return to this later. Now, when your clients click to save, really this is going to behave as sort of a lead. You're going to get the art content, you're going to get their contact information, so you can follow up to help aid them in completing their order. Well, I can also click Next Steps, where I have the ability to input the sizes and the quantities, maybe the different styles of garment that I might want, and I can actually get a price right from this interface. So think about how much time you spend in artwork going back and forth to try to get the concept right, get the client excited, get an approval. Think about how much time you might waste in doing quotes, only to have prospects blow you off or go onto your competitor because they're not a serious buyer and they're not going to pay the pricing that is fair and reasonable and the pricing that you expect. So think about using your website to sort of self-service and to automate a lot of those manual, tedious procedures. So that's the Design Studio in a nutshell. Now let me give you some insight into the InkSoft solution that we call proposals. And I'll kind of start at the end state here. So here's an example of a proposal. So imagine you're the decorator, you're the print shop in your market that can respond the fastest to a customer's need. Maybe a coach really needs some decorated products for their event. So you're going to be the business that responds the first with the very best presentation. And in our minds, that is the formula for success. Beating your competitors, establishing yourself as the speediest to respond, showing the most attention and care to a consumer's need, but also giving them the best experience in terms of presentation. So many decorators that we meet will end up sending catalogs to Sanmar and saying, hey, customer, pick a product from this catalog. Or do you have the artwork? So there's this back and forth endless email dialogue, and that doesn't serve the customer well. Whereas you can be in a position where you can send customers a gorgeous presentation where they can see different logos or their corporate logo or identity on different products that you might recommend or suggest for the event. So InkSoft Proposals, again, is one solution that lets you do things like this, put together a professional sales presentation quickly to showcase different logo ideas and concepts on various products that you might suggest or recommend. The other solution here is InkSoft Proposals will let you generate a traditional invoice. So here's the same exact information just presented in an invoice format. So in the event that this is a reorder or it's an existing customer that just wants to order, there's a trust factor. The reality here is with the proposal solution, your clients can pay and approve online in a convenient way. Now, everything I've shown you thus far is mobile responsive, so no matter where your clients are shopping or interacting from, every experience they'll have with you, whether it be a web store, whether it be an invoice or a proposal, whether it be the online designer, everything has been optimized to perform well on any device. So whether it be an iPhone or whether it be a tablet or a desktop computer, you can be assured that you have an amazing web presence no matter where your customers and prospects are shopping from. So in terms of the proposal solution, I'll give you a little bit of additional insights here. Now, if you look at a decorated order, you have a customer, you have all the transactional information like payment and delivery and pricing and payment processing and open balances, things of that nature. But then you have product and art content. So InkSoft Proposals allows you to add a customer to an invoice or an order. You can dial in and aggregate all the information like the name, the in-hands date, the expiration date, taxation. Maybe it's a nonprofit. Well, you can mark them as tax exempt. You can dial in all the payment information. So you could require payment in full, or you could ordain that a deposit is due. You can dial in shipping information. So this is one interface that lets you get your arms around all of the information necessary to be able to do business with your customers, right? And notice here at the very bottom right-hand corner in Proposals, I can click this blue icon, which allows me to add various products into a order document, whether it be an invoice, a manual order, or again, that sales presentation. So I can do things like add services, I could add art content, I can create custom line items. But again, we have Rapid Product Creator. And as the name implies, this is a way to rapidly create mockups that have all of the instructions necessary when the order is transacted so your production team can actually decorate accurately. So I can grab a product, and what I can do is choose the different product styles that I want to present to my client. I can choose whether I want to upload art and assign the artwork to the product, or maybe we don't have final artwork confirmed yet, so I can estimate the art price. Maybe we know it's a one color front, one color back, or it's an embroidery, left chest embroidery file. So regardless, InkSoft has all the technology to streamline your workflow, make sure that you're being productive and efficient, helping you better organize your business so you're not making mistakes. You're informing your team and your customers of where things are at, and all the information is organized in a nice, tidy way. What I won't spend a lot of time on, but I'll give you a little bit of insight. We've really talked about all the things on the front end that your customer would interact with, paying and approving for an order, ordering online from an online store. So as I mentioned, InkSoft has a centralized tools in the back office, as we call it, that lets you actually manage all of the fruits of your sales and marketing efforts. So here's an example of the InkSoft Order Manager. I have the ability to filter and say, hey, I want to see only the orders that came from a specific online store. I can use all this criteria here to really drill down and see the right orders that are meaningful to me. And of course, I can click onto an order where I can manage all the moving parts like cancellation, refund, applying a discount, changing the order. But we provide solutions for really all the different parts of your operation. So when it comes time for production, we have a very unique production management solution, which gives you the intelligence, and we really do something different compared to every other production management solution. We break apart each line item into its own unit, which allows you to make really good decisions to be able to route things logically. So I can say this logo goes on 2 different garment styles, but I need to send those through 2 different production paths. One's going to go on the screen print press A, whereas the other will go to maybe the direct to garment machine. So I can make decisions and I can route and create production jobs that make sense based on your business, the equipment you own and operate, and your preferences. So in this case, I can choose a specific machine type or a functional area. I can give it a job name, schedule it, and I can program that and set it forth in production. From there, you have a job board, which shows you all of your jobs in a board view, where again, you can filter to say, show me my embroidery jobs or my screen print jobs. You also have a calendar view, which gives you perspective at a week, day, or month view. And of course, you can drag and drop to reschedule and reprogram all of your production. Now, related, you also have a purchasing and receiving solution. So this gives you a simple way to create POs for blank goods. This gives you a way to receive items into inventory. And all of this has cross communication. So inside of the production manager, your team would have visibility that goods have been ordered, goods have been received. Your customer service team will get that same level of information inside of the order manager. So the reality here is InkSoft has all the tools to sell decorated and printed products effectively, but also manage those through their entire life cycle. So your job isn't done until your customer has goods in hands and they're really happy, and InkSoft provides all the technology to make that a reality. So again, the purpose of this video was to provide you with a general insight into InkSoft. What we would recommend from here is to reach out to an InkSoft expert, and we can schedule a time to do a personalized tour where we can learn about your business, the type of equipment you have, some of your marketing goals, and maybe some of the challenges that you're contending with. And we can give you a deep dive and really showcase how businesses just like yours are using InkSoft to grow their sales, to become more productive and more organized. So what you can do is head to inksoft.com. There you can learn more about our platform, but what I would recommend is click Get Started, and there you can fill out a quick form, and somebody from our team will reach out, and we'll schedule a time to learn about your business and share some more insights into InkSoft can help grow your sales revenue and serve your customers better.
All right, so once again, Mike Doe at Melco. If you joined us partway through the video, you're like, what? This is supposed to be Melco. Go back and watch the whole thing. We'll post, I think Lou's already got the link for this video posted. But what we're doing here is we're showing a new partnership that Melco has with InkSoft. The reason we partnered with InkSoft is we wanted to provide a solution to our customers that allowed them to get to your audience, to your customers, to be able to do things that if you were to try to create on your own, unless you were a software engineer and had a lot of money in your pocket, would cost you just a ton of cash to do. I mean, as I was watching that video, I reflected back. I don't know how many of you know this or not, but I was a customer of Melco's before I became an employee. So back in, I think it was '96, my wife and I decided to start our own business. We named it Artworks. We actually got that name from Lou's wife, Danlin. Anyways, we started it, really was good. I had found a passion of talking to people like I'm talking to you right now, and really worked it. But one thing that I was horrible at, and my wife just didn't have enough time to help me stay organized. Stay organized in a sense of when certain orders were due, when we needed to order the product, if the product was in stock at the warehouses, and even showing the product. Back then we had to carry catalogs. I know it sounds like I'm saying 80 years ago, right? But really wasn't that long ago. But when we saw this tool, I was really impressed in how it connects to companies like Sanmar, is it Alpha Broder as well, SNS. So a lot of the major companies when it comes to distribution of garments and products in general, they've got all the images there. So I know that you look at the price and you get a pretty hefty discount for being a Melco customer. So I would suggest watch this stuff. Lou has posted some stuff. Reach out to your salesperson. They are aware of this product. They can talk to you about it and see if it's a good fit. It may not be a great fit for you right now, but one of our goals here at Melco is to educate you guys in different tools and primarily applications, hands-on stuff of how you can use your equipment, be it either embroidery or digital. We want to make sure that you know how to use your equipment. Well, today we really wanted to talk about something that can help you grow your business. A lot of us are not great at managing either inventory or building websites that our customers can order stuff off of. So know that this product is great for all the stuff that John LeDrew talks to you about on Digital Monday. So your DTG printers, the roll and print cut, the die sub stuff, be it heat transfer if you're doing that, or be it screen printing if you're doing that, as well as embroidery. So this product works well for all the different types of embellishments that you could be doing. And so this is, once again, this is a way for us to partner with another company, negotiate with them to try to get a discounted price for our customers. So the pricing that you see is something that is not offered to anybody that just walks up to InkSoft at that price. If you're a Melco customer, talk to a Melco salesperson, talk to your salesperson, see what the deal is on it, and then sit down, talk to your partners, be it your wife, your husband, or your business partner or your life partner, whatever it is. Talk to them and work out, does this make sense for us? Maybe, maybe not. And if it does, look into it a little bit more. So we're about done with this. Lou, do we have any open questions at this point?
This was on some pricing, and that's about it.
Okay, so we're going to go ahead and end the video, but post comments on this. We'll be putting this out on YouTube too. So we put all of our videos. The team does a great job of putting them out on YouTube as well. Also want to do a real quick shout out. The service team here at Melco is the best. And so if you have any application concerns and questions, do me a favor, check out melco-service.com, click on the FAQ, and Dan and his team have been just diligently working on putting in any kind of questions. So if you go there and let's say you're having a problem with, let's say, false bobbin breaks, or you're having a problem where you're getting loop stitches, type in something that has to do with the issue that you're seeing, or maybe it's not an issue, maybe it's an application you want to try, like applique or patches. So type that into the FAQ, and the same thing for digital. A lot of the stuff is now being ported into the melco-service.com's FAQ. They're doing a great job, so huge shout out. Other thing is I want you to make sure if you got design shop questions, send those in to applications@melco.com. And then on Mondays, listen in if you're interested in any digital products. We've been having a great learning sessions going on Monday with John LeDrew and his team, my team, our team, on all kinds of new digital stuff. And we'll have a new topic on Wednesday next week on more of the embroidery and mixed media applications. Most importantly, I want to thank you from the bottom of my heart. Thank you for being a Melco customer. Anything we can do, reach out to us, let us know. Most importantly, have a great day.